Man, I'm kind of thirsty, man. You got anything to drink?
Yeah, I've got like milk, water, and like some juice.
You know everything is in your fridge already. We got milk, water, and juice. What type of juice?
I think it's like, I don't know, an orange juice or something.
Okay, that's cool. We can work with that. Alright, the other day, man, that girl came by, the one I was telling you about.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, man, I was surprised. They was confused.
Hey, you got anything to drink?
Yeah, man, I got something to drink. Let me check. Go ahead, boss. Alright, man, so, looks like we got some, we got water, we got some juice, we got some soda, Sprite. You know, we only drink light sodas, no dark sodas here. Got some Kool-Aid, definitely got some Kool-Aid, got some Tang. Want a glass of Tang?
What the fuck is Tang?
It was kind of like orange juice, but for the hood.
Okay, what else you got?
Let's see. We also got some. Oh, we got some juicy juice. We got some purple stuff. I think it might be Kool-Aid. I don't know why we got two things of Kool-Aid in this motherfucker, but apparently somebody else made Kool-Aid as well.
Oh shit. You got any Coke?
What? Coke? No, we ain't got no damn Coke. We don't drink dark sodas around this motherfucker. Look, we only drink light. All right, I gotta get you a Sprite. You want me to grab you a Sprite?
Yeah, I'll take a Sprite.
Alright. Alright.
Man, this isn't like any fucking Sprite I've ever had.
Man, shut the fuck up. Drink the Sprite.